What's up mga papi? It's been a month since nag-update tayo ng fish tank and it's about time to revisit and check kung sino mga nakasurvive and sino mga nawala. Let's do this!
Throw your hands up if you with it. Drop it.
Alright, so as we can all see, yung duckweed is actually thriving. Yung water lettuce from 3 buds, naging 7 na siya. Salvinia minima is still alive. Unfortunately, yung red root floater natin didn't make it. Surprisingly, yung creeping Jenny is doing good. Sturdy itong plant na to like the potos. Pennyworth is fighting for its life. Nag-iisang stem na lang yung natitira. Anubias Petit is alive. Parang lumaki na nga siya from the time na nilagay natin siya sa fish tank na to. Red Rubin, yung Rotala SP Green, Wandering Jew, unfortunately didn't make it. Dun sa Red Eye Tetra natin, unfortunately meron tayong isang casualty. From 6, naging 5 na lang yung Red Eye Tetra natin. And then for the Raminos Tetra, ito medyo sad. From 10, naging 7 na lang yung Raminos Tetra natin. But I guess the most, one of the most successful is our Cherry Shrimp, yung RCS natin. Kasi from 5, yung dalawang breeder and 3 juvenile, nag-breed na siya at nadagdagan na tayo. I think meron tayong 6 na baby RCS right now. And ultimately, syempre, yung pinaka-ultimate successful is yung bladder snail natin. Kasi I see a lot of them, sobrang dami nila, hindi ko na sila mabilang. So, from the time na nireboot natin itong dirted fish tank natin, I think, if I remember it right, nireboot natin siya ng March 3, 2024. Wala pa siyang water change. So, actually, 10 buwan na yata to or 1 year na to na walang water change. Ang ginagawa lang natin is to top up the water para ma-maintain natin yung water level nitong tank natin. Doon naman sa mga fish food or diet ng stock natin, binibigyan natin sila ng mix ng live and dried tubifex worm. So, isa lang yung pagkain ko. Hindi ko na sineseparate yung pagkain ng fish and shrimp. Tubifex lang talaga yung nilalagay ito and most of the time live food yung binibigay natin. Nagda-dried lang tayo pagka medyo hindi tayo nakabili ng live bloodworms. So ayan, ang short fish tank update natin after 30 days of adding our aquatic plants plus the fish and the shrimp dito sa dirted tank natin. Update ulit tayo after 90 days. Thanks for watching everyone. Till the next fish tank Budo. Peace!